Alright, this is feeding time for Bugs and Petey. Here you go. Their supper's right here on the counter, and now I'm going to give them their supper and make them wait. Okay, hang on, Petey. Sit. Petey, sit. Wait. Wait. Petey, wait. 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 Bugs, come. Petey, wait. Wait. Alright, go. See who finishes first. Bugs is a slow eater. He's a lollygagger. Let's see, how's Petey doing? One's, yeah, a gobbler and a taster. How's it going, Petey? Oh boy, look at him go. How's your supper, Bugs? Bugs is having a good supper? Yeah, good boy. How's it going, Pete? Breathe, Petey, breathe. Crunch, crunch those bug crunchies, Pete. How's it going? I hear Bugs crunching crunchies. And Petey, let's see. Pete, all done. Woohoo! Record time. My God. Bugs, let's see how much you got left. You got lots of food? Oh yeah, good boy, Buggy.